Hello, my name is Huda Ahmed. I'm a sophomore here at GSU in CIS 2010. I'm majoring in business administration with a focus on computer information systems. So I'm super excited to be part of this class. So for today, I picked the CVC, the project. So welcome to my video project. Today we're just going to be going over some of the different steps that come along with this. So first, as you can see, I've opened up the actual assignment and all the data is as it's supposed to be, and I'm going to go and sort the data. And then after that, I'm going to jump in and create a histogram. And histograms are just a great way to see how your information is actually being laid out, to be able to see dates more clearly, to compare the data. Then we're going to align it under G1, cell G1. That's where we want our graph to be. And we're going to jump to row D. And now we're going to sort this. So we're going to sort, we're going to do a custom sort, and we're going to make them go from Z to A. And then for our debut year, we're going to make that one go from largest to smallest. So we're just going to make sure all of these are as the instructions say, and making sure they all go from Z to A and largest to smallest. And as you can see, I'm just double checking here to make sure I did the correct one for all of them. And then, as you can see here, I'm just rechecking. And it's now the years are going to range from largest to smallest. And I'm also making sure while I'm doing this that none of the information is getting messed up, and that the rows are all where they're supposed to be, and the column headers are also in the first row. And then during this time, I'm just ensuring that I'm reading everything properly and understanding what I'm actually supposed to do. And then moving on, we're going to be going to cell F and typing in COUNTIF. And this function helps us to just simply count things, to count a specific range. So for our range, we're going to be counting row B. So we're going to put in a range, and that range is going to be B2. And I'm just trying to get it all in one swoop. So we're going to go from B2 all the way down the row to B, I think it's going to be like 110 or so. Oh, didn't work. There we go, B101. So now that we have our range in there, we're going to do the next part of our COUNTIF function and search up lady. So in the instructions it says lady, but in the actual information it doesn't say lady anywhere. It says lady luck. So assuming that was what was meant to be there, I was searching to make sure that lady was supposed to be there, or if it was lady luck. So I put in lady luck. And this is just me ensuring that I'm doing what I'm actually supposed to do. All right, as you can see, I'm able to find Lady Luck, and I'm going to type that in. And after that, I'm going to end it off with parentheses. And now I'm done with that part. And the next part, I'm going to go to column B, and we're actually going to do a filter. And after I set this filter, I'm going to be sorting through the last names, and I'm going to be looking for the last name that is spelled out P-Y-M. So I'm going to search up P-Y-M. I'm going to deselect all, and I'm going to select PYM. Click OK, and then after that, you get your finalized chart per the instructions. And I'm just going to make that chart a little bit bigger so it's easier to read. And now we've done COUNTIF, we've done a custom sort, we've created a chart, and we're using functions that we can use in real life to actually analyze information. So thank you, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it made sense.